God Almighty himself has sent Modi ji as an avatar Purush.
मुकेश अंबानी ने मोदी जी को बर्थडे विश और कहा अगर मोदी जी 100 साल के भी हो जाए तब भी हमारे देश के पीएम रहे। लेकिन वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ऑल पे सेट कर लें।
Today is a festive day for 1.45 billion Indians. It is the 75th birthday of our most respected and beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji. It is my deepest wish that Modi ji should continue to serve India when independent India turns 100. God Almighty himself has sent Modi ji as an avatar Purush to lead our motherland to become the greatest nation on earth. He first transformed Gujarat into an economic powerhouse. Now he is transforming the whole of India into a global super. Indians, in wishing our Prime Minister a happy birthday and praying for his continuous good health. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hind.